Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a Fire HD 10 that's basically like a Fire TV that's on your tablet. They do a lot of other stuff as well. So you definitely do a lot more stuff on here that the Fire TV stick cannot do, but this is actually really cool. And this is their newest one that they launched recently this year. So the one that we got right here is a 32 gigabytes that is 1080p, and the one that I got right here I believe is like an olive green color. But they definitely have this available in a lot of other colors that you guys can definitely do your own research to see which one you prefer. And they also have a higher gigabyte option as well, I believe like 64 if you guys want that option. But I decided to go for the 32 gigabytes that we have right here. So this is basically what the front part looks like. If I turn it in the back, this is basically what it looks like in the back. If you can see, there's a bunch of different specs and features that's mentioned on here. So they mentioned how there's a 10-inch HD display. You guys have the option to plug in a micro SD card if you guys need more storage. They mentioned how there's an octa core with 3GB RAM. It has a dual band AC Wi-Fi option. It has a front and rear cameras. So if you guys want to do videos or if you guys want to take photos, you can definitely do that on here. And it also has a Dolby Atmos system that's built into the product, which is super awesome. So this is basically what the outside of the package looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside. So I want to peel off this top part right here first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. But let's take everything out. Alright, so right here we have the tablet, and it looks like there's something else right here. So let's see what's in this little box right here first. So first thing you see right here is a little wall charger that you can use to plug it in to charge up your product. And then right here they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and all the different functionalities on here. And then right here they provide guys a cable that you guys want to use to recharge the product, which is USB to USB-C. So you definitely get like a fast charging option. And that is basically everything that's get inside this little box here. And then right here if you can see, this is basically what the tablet looks like. So this is Fire HD 10, which is around 10 inches if you can see. And we see the product is all nicely wrapped. So I'm going to take off from the wrapper first. Alright, so we take off from the wrapper and see that this is basically what it looks like in this side. And then here's what it looks like in the back. So definitely have that like olive green color right here that looks very nice. But this is basically where the camera is in the back. And there's also a camera in the front right here as well. If you guys can see on top part right here and right here, I believe those are the speakers. If we turn it on this side, you guys can see there's a bunch of stuff right here. So I'm assuming this is probably like the volume up and volume down button. Here's the power button. Here's the aux cable option, and here's the USB-C option that you can plug in to recharge it. If we turn it to this side, you guys can see there's a slot for you guys to plug in your micro SD card right here. So what you guys want to do is open it up like this, and you basically want to plug in the micro SD card right there. So I really like that option a lot because if you guys don't have enough storage onto your device, you can always use the option to add more storage on here. So if you guys really think about it, it doesn't really matter if you guys get like the 32 or 64 gigabytes, since you guys have the option to actually plug in the micro SD card in here for more storage anyways. But that's basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually charge it up to show you guys how to charge it, and then we'll show you guys how to activate it as well. So usually if you guys want to get the fastest charging speed, you probably want to plug into a wall charger. But for this test, I'm gonna plug it into my power bank to show you guys how it works first. Alright, so I'm plugging this side right here. Alright, you can see that pops on the screen. So this is basically what the product looks like when you guys open it. So I'll probably have to finish this setup process first. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so it looks like there's an update on the actual device when you guys first get it. So I need to do the update right now first. Alright, so we just finished updating the device and we got the display right here. So you can definitely add all your apps that you guys want to use on here, or you can just skip this step right here. So I'm actually add a few of these on here first. Alright, so once you guys finish setting the device, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So you can definitely see you guys have all these options right here. So you can definitely do like the internet, Prime Videos, Netflix, or whatever you guys want to set on here, or whatever you guys want to download on here. You definitely have a lot of different apps on here. So whether you guys want to do like Netflix or Disney Plus or whatever, you can definitely do all of that on here. It's literally so portable, so if you guys want to bring it from one room to another, so maybe from like living room to bedroom to watch stuff, you can definitely do that as well. So mainly for these tablets, the way how to design it is actually really useful for people who want to do like Kindle reading, or if you guys want to read books on here, it's actually super convenient. Or if you guys want to play games or watch videos or listen to music, you can definitely do all of that on here. So I'm going to play a video from my YouTube channel to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So the processing speed of the actual internet and everything is pretty slow. It's not like super fast compared to my phone or my laptop that I've been using. Alright, so let's go to one of my videos and watch it. So this is basically what the product looks like when I actually play one of my videos on here. If you guys can see it, quality on here is actually super clear and super high quality. So if you guys want to adjust the volume setting on here, you just want to press the button on the side right here.
The new jail is right next door to it. So you got the next 2 days to poke around in this area right here. They even have a little beach up here. You have to pay about $5 to get one.
So you can definitely hear the audio on here is actually pretty good, and the quality of the image, if you can see, is pretty high quality as well. But basically on the side, you can see these are the buttons that we used earlier to increase or lower the volume right here on the side. And if you guys want to turn on and off the product, you just want to press this one time. So I press it one time, that closes it. If I press it again, that opens it. And basically in the front right here, they show you guys the battery life right here to show you guys where it's at. And also tells you guys how much longer you guys need to charge before it's full. And it also show you guys the battery life on top as well. And it show you guys the Wi-Fi signal strength and everything on here as well. If you guys need to adjust like the brightness and everything, you just want to go like this. And it brings down the screen right here. So it brings down that screen right there and you can adjust everything on here. So whether you guys want to control like the Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, your airplane mode, sleep mode, etc., you can definitely do all that on here. And you can also adjust like the brightness level on here as well if you guys want to. And if you guys want to adjust like the view of the actual tablet, so whether you guys want to look like this, or if you guys want to turn this way, it actually automatically changes to a different view if you can see. And basically the way how you guys go back home or whatever, you want to press the small little dot in bottom. So this is basically like a home button right here. And that goes back to the main page right here. And so right now we actually have a lot more apps that I just finished downloading. And for this product, since it is an Amazon product, actually connects to Alexa really easily and you can control all your devices on here if you guys want to. You just have to press this button on the corner to control all your other devices that's connected to Alexa. So that is basically everything that's on this device right here. Let me actually do a quick test of the camera and the video quality to see what it actually looks like and what it actually sounds like first. If you guys can see, this is basically what the screen looks like when you guys use the actual camera. So the way how you guys change it from like cameras and video, you can go like this. You definitely have like a camera option or video option right here. And right now we have the video option. If you guys want to go camera, just click on camera. And now you guys are using camera option. So if you guys want to take photos, just click on it one time. And that took the photo, if you can see. Same thing applies if you guys want to do the video. If you guys want to do video, you guys want to switch it back to video and click on this bottom button right here. But this is basically what the product looks like in terms of how to use it and what it actually looks like. So that is basically everything that is on the product in terms of what is actually included and how to use it. If you guys can see, everything on here is actually pretty easy to use. Everything from charging the product to using the product, the image quality, the video quality, the audio quality, everything on here works really well. What I do recommend is that when you guys get this tablet or any other tablet, is the fact that you definitely want to get like a case and also a screen protector to protect it, just in case if you guys actually drop it or whatever. And the reason why I suggest you guys to get a case is so that way you actually get that extra protection layer. But also if you guys get the correct case, it gives you guys the option to actually use it as a stand as well. So I don't have a case right now yet because I'm still waiting for it to come. So once that comes, I'll do like an update video with that case. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test out the product. Now to ask a question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to get some kind of tablets to use it for watching videos, or if you guys need to record stuff, or just want to use this to like read books or call your parents or family via like the Fire TV or Alexa devices or whatever. You can definitely do all of that on here and so much more. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.